My name is Graham Cheeseman. I work for CGL Construction. We're in Yatton, 80 to 100 houses for our client, Persimmon Homes. We have just moved over to Conquip shore-end boxes and we are very impressed. We will be installing foul water and stormwater drainage using the Conquip boxes and shore-end to maintain safety at all times. The main objectives and goals of this project was to have little impact on neighbouring properties, keep the client happy and have good speed and good health and safety throughout the project. The temporary works and design team at Conquip are very good. Since using Conquip, the ordering process has been seamless, the customer service has been very good. On this project, they have delivered exactly what they said. We are looking forward to working with Conquip again.